Okay, so I'm going to share two ways you can maximize your chances of winning free cash and money. The first way is how most people do it, and the second way is the fast and easy way of maximizing your chances. So the first way. So you want free chances to win money? Lots of them exist. Many companies give you a chance simply through online sweepstakes, online contests, and so forth. The challenge, of course, many times is finding these contests and sweepstakes, and then also making sure they're not expired or full of ads, because that's what you tend to find. However, there are a few good directories you can go to. In the USA, one obviously is something called Sweeps Advantage. It's pretty good. Another for Canada is called Contest Girl. And then, of course, you can obviously go to the winningprizesearch.com website. There's probably another 15 or 20 main directories you can find. On the Winning Prize Search directory, which of course is free to use, you simply go up here to winningprizesearch.com and then simply scroll down to All Cash Sweepstakes. This directory is updated on a fairly regular basis, and divides it up into different categories. So you can either look for everything or you can look for prize ranges right here. So right now we're just going to simply click on this heading, and then you can see it has a whole bunch of stuff listed here. If you do create a free account, you just go sign in or create a free account, and then you'll be able to save the ones you like or basically remove the ones you don't want. Now, the second way of doing it is the super easy way. So if you go to this website right here, pro.winningprizesearch.com, you can get a Windows application that automatically sorts and finds all these sweepstakes to use, and I'm going to go quickly how to use that to find the good cash prizes. You can get a free trial, fully functioning version for 7 days. Simply go to the download link right here, click on download, enter your name and email address, and it'll send you a license key as well as the download software, and you'll have full access to it. If you like it, of course, you can then become a full member. Just click on purchase. Or, like, if you want, you can just go back to the free main website, which is the winningprizesearch.com website. Anyways, okay, so this is the application right here, and what's really cool is it has all the different sweepstakes organized right now. If we click on one, you can see basically it has almost 2,000 sweepstakes. It's organized by different categories, so you can record the last entry, how many times you've entered it, if it's important to you, like something you want to mark off and do every day, frequency, name, etc., etc. You can, of course, click one of the headings and automatically sort. You can sort by the prize value simply by clicking that. Now, let's say you want to just define the cash sweepstakes. There's a couple different ways. There's basically the easy search, so you just search by a keyword, or there's the advanced search. So to do the easy search, you'd simply type in something like cash, press enter, and then it basically goes through all of them and looks for anything that has the word cash in the prize description or the title, and you can just search through those, and then you can enter them, and obviously you see it loads it up here and shows the prizes. So for example, this one has $7,500 cash, which is pretty good. A different way, let's get rid of that and just reset the list of sweepstakes. The other way is you simply click on these three dots, and then you can specify like what prize value you want. Let's say 500 to 10,000, and of course then you can click all these different categories if you wanted to, such as cash coupons, sweeping, rewards, shopping sprees, all these different categories right here. And let's just go up. And so what it'll do is it'll go through and search any category selected with cash, click search, and then it'll find those. And you can see it just found the price range that we wanted. So here you have $5,000 cash, $5,000 check, etc., etc. So yeah, so that's the easy way of doing it. So now what's really cool is when you find something you want to enter, you simply double click the listing, and it will automatically load it up in the browser window, and you can fill everything in here. And then when you're finished entering it, you simply click the close button and then go back to the software. And then of course you can go on the next listing and enter to win that. One really cool feature is if you want to keep this software on top, you click this little button, you can resize everything like that, and then simply just go up and down the listing. So for example, basically I could click on this, it would open up the prize page. I'd enter my email address, enter the information, click enter. Once I'm done that, close that window, and this stays on top, and then I just go to the next item, click that, enter all my information, then finally click enter, obviously do the CAPTCHA here, close the close window, and then for example go on to the next sweepstakes. And so again I'd click that, and then just enter all my information, click submit, and then I'd be good to go. And of course there's a whole bunch of other cool features which I'll discuss in other videos, for example in terms of tracking what you've entered, what your chances of winning are, and so forth. But yeah, so that's the video for today. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to learn more, send us an email, reply in the comments. If you have any other questions or comments, definitely let us know, and talk to you later. Okay, bye.